Edo State government collabo with various federal government security agencies for Edo State, including local vigilante, don strengthen the peace, security and safety wey Edo people dey enjoy. Governor Godwin Obaseki tok this one when he received the officer commanding 2 Division Nigeria Army, Major General Obinna Onugbogu, wey lead other senior military officers to government house for one courtesy visit. The governor con commend the army for their continuous support for your administration and contribution to the security architecture of the state, say their contributions don lead to peace and safety for Edo State.
Security situation in Edo State today, particularly vis-a-vis our relative 2 states around our zone, you would agree that Edo is perhaps one of the safest states in Nigeria today. A few years ago, we had a lot of incidences of kidnapping internally within the state. You couldn't travel from Benin to Auchi, for instance, without the scare of being kidnapped. Today, working with the military, setting up a forward operating base, a military forward operating base in Eho, we no longer have any incidents of kidnapping. We've also, in the western flank of the state, around Sobe and the area, perennially had this crisis of terrorist militants coming in and ransacking villages and farms. Working with the military, today we have a temporary FOB. We're going to be building a permanent one in there. We've recorded tremendous successes, and we're seeing companies, now locating in that axis. What is left is the northern border with Kogi around the Akoko-Edo axis, where we are putting our heads together with General Officer commanding the division to see how we can now take care of the security situation in that part of the state.
For im part, Major General Obinna Onugbogu con tok say im dey the state on a familiarization visit to the governor sake of say im assume duty as officer commanding 2 Division Nigeria Army about 1 month ago. General Onugbogu con thank the governor and the administration for the various support the army dey always get from Edo State government and say e don help to maintain peace and security for the state.
The Edo State government has supported the Nigerian Army through 4 Brigade Nigerian Army, the military hospital in Benin, and several other establishments within Edo State. There has been support in several ways for communications, for our operations, and we are grateful to His Excellency for supporting particularly some of our bases within Edo State. That has helped to really reduce and curb some of the excesses of criminals within Edo State. The Army remains providing support to the government and providing support to the police whenever we are called in. So our men are around. These bases that we've set up within the state are there, and whenever they are needed, we'll spring into action. It's not really a problem. We are ready to support, and we'll always be there to ensure that the security and the wishes of the people of Edo State and His Excellency Governor come to fruition within the state.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.